How to play ESPN Fantasy Basketball. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to start your ESPN Fantasy Basketball journey. So first of all, launch the ESPN application on your device. Then head over to the homepage, select M Basketball from the top of the screen. Then you can start your own league and invite friends, or you can join a league. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose to join a league. Now, for these options, you need to choose your experience level. So either you're a pro, so you can play against anyone anytime, or a beginner, if you want to play with other beginners. And you need to choose the scoring type. Either it's head-to-head points, rotisserie, head-to-head in each category, head-to-head in most categories, or season points, so you can earn as many points as possible over the entire season to choose the winner. You need to also choose the draft type, so either it's a snake draft or a salary cap draft. Now click on Join a League and your draft will start in a few seconds. Congratulations on joining the league. Now for the draft, you need to be careful. So drafting is the really important phase of your fantasy journey. So the players you're going to choose now are going to define your season points and your league position. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.